I sent the text to the wrong person. Now my family is breaking apart and I can't tell them the truth. My finger hit the send button. I was smiling. I was happy. I was thinking about my secret boyfriend, Mike. I wrote him a sweet message. I told him I missed him. I told him I couldn't wait to see him tonight. Then I looked at my phone again. My heart stopped. I had sent the message to the wrong Mike. I sent it to Mikey, my brother-in-law, my sister's husband. The message said, "I can't wait to see you tonight. I miss your lips already." I felt sick. This was a disaster. What would Mikey think? What would my sister think? I tried to delete the message, but it was too late. The message was already sent. Mikey would see it soon. I sat on my bed. I was shaking. I didn't know what to do. I couldn't tell anyone the truth. My family didn't know about my boyfriend, Mike. It was a secret. You see, Mike was my teacher. He taught me English at the community college. We fell in love 3 months ago, but he could lose his job if people found out. So we kept it secret. I saved his number in my phone as Mike, but my sister's husband was also called Mike. Everyone called him Mikey. His number was also in my phone. I made a terrible mistake. I sent a love message to my sister's husband. 20 minutes later, my phone started ringing. It was my sister Anna. My hands were shaking. I answered the phone. "Hello? Why did you text my husband like that?" Anna shouted. "Are you sleeping with him? Are you trying to steal him from me?" "No, I swear, it was a mistake." "Then who was it for?" I couldn't tell her who the right person was. I couldn't tell her about my boyfriend, Mike. If she knew, she would tell our parents. They would tell everyone. Mike would lose his job. Anna didn't believe me. She was crying. She hung up the phone. I started crying too. Everything was falling apart. An hour later, my mom called. Anna had told her everything. Mom thought I was having an affair with Mikey. She said Anna was crying. She said Anna wanted to leave her husband. I told Mom I wasn't having an affair with Mikey. I would never do that. But I still couldn't tell her the truth. I couldn't tell her who I was supposed to send the message to. Mom was disappointed in me. She hung up the phone. That evening, Dad called me. He told me to come to the house. He said we needed to talk. All of us. I didn't want to go, but I had to. I drove to my parents' house. Everyone was there. Mom, Dad, Anna, and Mikey. Anna's eyes were red. She had been crying. Mikey looked confused and sad. They all wanted the truth.
"Who was it for?"
Dad asked. "I can't say," I said.
"Why not?"
Mom asked. "It's complicated," I said. "It's private."
"Private? This is destroying your sister's marriage."
Anna stood up.
"That's it. I'm done. I'm leaving, Mikey."
I tried to explain that Mikey didn't do anything wrong, but Anna didn't believe me. She wanted proof.
"If you won't tell the truth,"
Anna said,
"then you're just as guilty."
I couldn't do it. I couldn't tell them about Mike. He would lose his job. Anna stood up. She said she was done. She was leaving Mikey. She was getting a divorce. Mikey tried to stop her. He said he never touched me. He said he never talked to me like that. He begged Anna to believe him. Anna wanted to believe him, but she couldn't understand why I wouldn't tell them the truth. Mikey was smart. He understood that I was protecting someone who could get in trouble. But Anna didn't care. She said her marriage was more important than protecting anyone. Anna left the house. She drove away. Mom and Dad were angry with me. Mikey was sad and confused. They kept asking me to tell them the truth. I kept saying I couldn't. I left the house too. I went home. I was crying. I had ruined everything. The next day, Anna filed for divorce. She moved in with our cousin. She wouldn't talk to Mikey. She wouldn't talk to me. Mikey came to see me. He looked terrible. He asked me to tell him what was happening. He said,
I love Anna. Why won't you just tell them?
Mikey asked quietly.
Why are you letting this happen?
I wanted to tell him, but I couldn't. Mike would lose his job. His life would be ruined. I told Mikey I was sorry. I told him I couldn't tell him the truth. Mikey said his marriage was over because of my secret. Days passed. Anna wouldn't answer my calls. Mom and Dad were disappointed in me. They thought I was selfish and cruel. The whole family was falling apart. Anna was getting divorced. My parents were angry with me. Everyone thought I was a terrible person. I met Mike at our usual place, a small cafe outside town. I told him everything that had happened. Mike felt terrible. He felt responsible for the whole mess. He said his job was not more important than my family. I told him not to say that, but Mike said he had to tell them the truth. He said I was losing my family because of him. Mike was right. I was losing everything that mattered. My sister hated me. My parents were disappointed in me. My family was broken. Mike said,
"We should tell them together. We should face this together."
He was willing to risk his job for my family. That's when I knew I really loved him. I agreed. We would tell them the truth together. We drove to my parents' house. Anna was there. She was signing divorce papers. I stopped her. I told her I needed to tell her something important. Anna said she didn't want to hear it, but I took Mike's hand. I told her this was Mike. He was my boyfriend. He was my teacher. The message was for him. I sent it to Mikey by mistake. Everyone stared at us. They were shocked. My parents couldn't believe I was dating my teacher. They asked why I didn't tell them. I explained that he could lose his job. Students and teachers weren't supposed to date. That's why we kept it secret. Anna looked at Mike. Then she looked at me. Then she looked at Mikey. She finally understood. Mikey didn't do anything wrong. Anna started crying, but this time they were happy tears. She apologized to Mikey. She said she was sorry she didn't trust him. Mikey hugged her. He said he understood why she was upset. Anna hugged me too. She said she was sorry she was angry with me. I apologized for not telling her sooner. I said I was scared to tell the truth. Mike might lose his job, but my family was together again, and that was worth everything. Later that week, Mike talked to his boss. He told him about our relationship. His boss was not happy, but Mike didn't get fired. He got a warning. He had to transfer to a different school. Anna and Mikey went to marriage counseling. They worked on their problems. They stayed together. My parents were still upset that I kept secrets, but they understood why I did it. They liked Mike. They invited him to family dinners. Sometimes the truth is hard to tell, but lies are harder to live with. What would you do if you were her? Would you tell the truth right away? Or would you keep it secret to protect someone you love? Lesson of the day. In American English, we use a singular verb with family because it's one group. So we say, my family is, not my family are. Examples from the story. My family is breaking apart. My family was broken. My family was together again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for a brand new story and take one step closer to better English every day.